I look for diamonds or even sapphire too and other gems. You look for these poker things, you see them? That white stuff I try to it in the center. It's just calcite and sun. I break it away so I can have a look to see what it really is, and it's on everything based on what happens around the Pacific time that is spent above ground. And as you can see, here's the spear metal going down. That's where I use the masonry a little bit, and I use the edge, and I twist it so it's like a knife. So it's sharp like a knife, and I apply pressure and try to scratch the element. But as you see, I even try to use a hammer to break away the surface so I can see the internal section of the stone. And I apply pressure, quite a lot of pressure. So, I could have a better look inside, you see. But as you can see, the texture, yeah, this is a diamond stone. You can see the shape as well. Let's zoom in back home. You can see. It's not always gonna be perfect diamond shape, you know. Sometimes it's gonna be like up, all the way like a 50 cent shape sort of thing. No, ma'am, the boy is not crazy, and the lady is not crazy. Sometimes we just have to just look ahead. Because if someone is not doing it, someone have to do it. I just want to say for you guys out there who are still doing rock counting, sometimes you're not always gonna see the internal surface. You have to break it away, and you can tell it's very heavy. And you got these poker things. Look out for them. Sometimes they're little and dotted. Sometimes they're bigger ones like that. Sometimes they turn out to be a wee little kimberlite. But just look out for these little poker things. You see them? Yeah. And chip it. Try to break it. Normally we knock stone to stone. And if it's not, you just break apart when we're out in the field. But sometimes you'll knock a hard stone and it will just shell into pieces. Because if you hit it at the right place, it will just smash. It's not a good idea, but when we have not much to work with out there, and we don't want to carry back too much unnecessary load. And when we try to break this one, it couldn't break none at all. So we try to, when we break it, we try to chip the edges, look for a bit like this, and we try to chip it off. And stone will break trying to chip it off, then you know straight away.